Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the ancient roots of African history. Today, we're exploring the name Congo and its ties to the Bantu people. This name goes beyond being just a geographic term. It's a story of migration, ancient alliances, and a legacy that's lasted centuries. The story of the Bantu people begins in the northeastern parts of Africa, areas now known as Sudan, Ethiopia, and even extending up to Egypt. This is where the Bantu ancestors, especially those of the Hungwe or Falcon tribe, lived alongside their distant relatives, the Pygmies, a group with whom they shared these lands for countless generations. The Hungwe, revered for their strength and connection to the Falcon, were eventually drawn to expand their horizons, carrying with them traditions and symbols that reflected their identity. Driven by the search for fertile lands, resources, and invasion, the Bantu tribes, including the Hungwe, gradually migrated southward. Their journey was one of adaptation, as they moved through various landscapes and encountered diverse cultures. The Hungwe brought with them their name, Kahungwe, meaning place of the falcon, which began as a term of pride for their people. Over time, as they settled deeper into Central Africa, Kahungwe transformed, first to Kahungu and finally to Congo, becoming a marker of their new homeland. Today, Congo evokes images of vast forests and thriving culture, but its original meaning was deeply tied to identity. For the early Bantu, Congo became the symbolic place of the Falcon tribe, embodying the legacy of the Hungwe people who had traveled southward and made this region their new home. This was more than just a place. It was a symbol of strength, unity, and the profound journey of the Bantu. As the Bantu spread further, the name Congo endured, becoming synonymous with the strength and resilience of its people. Alongside their pygmy relatives, the Bantu made the Congo basin their own, establishing cultures, societies, and languages that would influence generations. This region became known as the heartland of the Bantu people, a place where the past and present of African heritage would intersect. Reflecting on the Congo's meaning takes us back to the earliest days of the Bantu journey. From their northern origins to establishing a new home, the name Congo captures both the migration and the resilience of the Bantu and their legacy. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into Africa's past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into African history and heritage. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.